Hey everybody, Chris here with Luki Bike Adventures, and we've got another event coming up with a different organization. Our season has wrapped up with American Indian Health and Family Services, and that was wonderful. And when we were at a powwow over the summer, someone from a school approached me and said he wanted us to work with them putting together a bike program at the school. And so they got the funding to put together some bike kits. And so I'm just kind of shuffling things around here because this is coming up in just a few days. We don't have everything in yet, but trying to get it all organized and make sure we have everything we need and just kind of, all that. So I figured I'd show you what we were doing. So we got them some bells, a seat bag. It's actually a pretty good sized one, so that should hold an inner tube and some tools and whatever, no problem. We got them a lock, which is something that, when I first told people what I was doing, when this was just a little baby, just a little thought, one of the first things a couple people said is that if the kids are getting bikes and, they do get stolen. And so we wanted to make sure kids have some locks to protect their bikes. If we're going to be giving them bikes and giving them all this stuff, we'll make sure that they can keep their bikes. We also got some lights for them because it does get dark so early in Michigan in this winter. So they're both rechargeable. And so front and back. And all this stuff, really appreciative to Petri Bikes in Woodhaven, Michigan, because, man, I told them what I needed. Like, I just gave them a list of all the stuff I wanted, and they sourced it all, found great prices for us, got it all shipped. That's the lights. Some of it we're still waiting to come in. Still got some multi-tools that are coming. We also got some pumps. So we want the kids to be able to learn how to ride their bikes, how to take care of their bikes, and be able to maintain them and actually keep them. So I got a big bag of those guys. And got just these patch kits. And then we also have some water bottles and helmets that are off screen that I have to kind of organize as well. And we also got a new set of merch. Not set, I guess. New t-shirts. We've got t-shirts and hoodies. And the kids will be getting hoodies since it's getting cold. And I wanted them to have something, this bad boy is bright, but I wanted something super bright so that they would have something to stay visible. And plus, I think our logo looks really cool. Call that the Slogo, because it's got our slogan and our logo. So that is Anishinaabe. Let's have fun outside together. And so they're going to get some hoodies in this bright color so that they have no excuse not to be super visible while they're riding. So this should be pretty cool. I'm excited. This one isn't like a mountain biking adventure. This is a workshop to teach the kids how to ride safely, how to use all this stuff, get everything set up for them. We've got, and then we'll just take a short little ride around the neighborhood just to make sure everybody can do it safely and have a good time. So I'm excited. I'm really glad that our season isn't actually over yet. We just did finish our first year. We're officially a year old at this point. Luki Bike Adventures is now, I guess, no longer an infant. Maybe we're like a toddler now. So I think that's awesome. And to celebrate, we're going to be at Buddy's Pizza in Dearborn on October 23rd. It's a birthday party, but it's also a fundraiser. I'm asking people to buy their own meal and 20% of your purchase is going to go back to us. But we're going to have some giveaways. I'm going to be announcing some cool stuff that's happening in the future, and we're going to do some raffles and, you know, just have fun. So if you're in the area and want to support us and have a good time and meet everybody, then come on down. Thanks a lot for all of your support, to everyone who has, you know, supported us all this time. And so I've got a busy few days to, you know, the bikes are in pretty good shape, actually. The kids over the summer didn't beat them up too bad, but I want to clean them up and get them ready for this new batch of kids to enjoy them. So thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I will see you guys in the next video.